subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy M33 back in April last year, the company has now launched the successor of it in India as Galaxy M34, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M34 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, with hybrid microSD expansion support. In terms of optics, the Galaxy M34 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The handset comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support, and it is said to deliver up to 2 days of battery life on a single charge. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, with One UI 5 skin on top, and the company promises to offer 5 years of security updates, and 4 upcoming OS updates. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162 by 77 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M34 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 18,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 15 in midnight blue, waterfall blue, and prism silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M34 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.